right? Uh, so this is called parallel ledgers. Parallelly, we are maintaining number one, 01 ledger, D1, D2. So like this, any number of ledgers you can post. And at the time of posting, you can choose enter general posting for the ledger group. So what you can do, you can choose any ledger group, whatever you want, right? To what is the ledger that you want that is connected to our company code. So D1, D2 or 0L means normal our ledger. So I can post accounting entries to only one ledger, right? Or combination of ledgers. So whatever I want, I can do that. And what is the purpose of this? I told you already. When you are going to report to the any other country legal requirements. Now if I want the US, so if I have raised my funds in the US market, I have to submit my US so books of accounts in US dollars and as per the fiscal year variant. And if I'm raising the funds from European market, I can submit my books of accounts in the European market for whatever the currency that I want, I can post, right? I can submit. So that is the purpose of parallel ledgers. So parallelly you can maintain any number of ledgers, but you can have only three currencies, one company code currency plus two other currencies that you need to remember. So this is called, right, maintaining of the parallel ledgers. Next we have one more thing, document splitting is there. What is meant by document splitting? Document splitting is nothing but splitting of a document as per the requirements of the company. Means what is the requirement, how, what is meant by document splitting, I'll show you. So document splitting is nothing but splitting of a document. Office rent account at our say business area Hyderabad, say business area Chennai to bank. Now if I am going to post an accounting entry, say I am posting manually 400, 600 here, right? So my office rent account business area Hyderabad, business area Chennai to bank. From my head office account I'm posting to all these things. Now if I want to prepare my balance sheet and P&L account as per the business area, if this is done I cannot do it, because if I have to prepare my balance sheet, right, bank account also should be split into both business areas, business area Hyderabad, business area Chennai. At the time of posting itself you can post it, but that is all the cases not possible, because when I'm posting the accounting entry, in case of sales, in case of purchases, all those documents will be posted through other modules. So when you are posting through the other modules, right, you cannot post manually like this. Here I have taken business area, but in real scenario generally we take profit center accounting. Profit center wise document I want to get it split. So by default I want the system to split the document by profit center wise. So what are the purchases if I'm making, right? If you want to read the document and read on the document splitting, of course I'll send you one document on document splitting and parallel ledgers. I think maybe let me check if it is today or tomorrow, I'll send it. here business transactions, document splitting, information on document splitting. All of you read this, right? Don't miss. See here, for example, suppose vendor invoice containing the following items. It is entered. So payables 100, expense 40, 60. Here payables means vendor account is going to be created with 100 and purchases 40, 60. Okay. Now, if I'm going to prepare my balance sheet as per the segment, here segment or business area or profit center, whatever it may be. Here segment 1, segment 2. So we have purchased, here expense means nothing but purchases, because here he says payables, right? So payable account is created and expense account are debited with segment 1, segment 2. Segment 1 40, segment 2 60. Now this liability, it is only one line item. So in which segment it is going to be posted? So if I want the document to be split, this table should be split. So that's why document splitting, then create the following document in the general ledger view. The general ledger view, payables segment 1, payable segment 2, expense segment 1, expense segment 2. Once the document is split, it should be 40, 60. Right? So like this, whatever the document you want to split it, that as per the requirement you can split it. That is the purpose of document splitting, right? And if payables 1, payables 2, so 40, 40, 60, 60, both can be posted separately into the balance sheet. Similarly, this one, in case of discount is there, how a discount document should be split. Just you go through it, right? So here a lot of information is given, read it. You can use the document splitting procedure to split up the line items for the selected dimensions such as receivables, lines by profit center, segment, whatever it may be. So that is only for the purpose of preparing the segmental wise profit and loss account and balance sheet and profit center wise balance sheet, something like that, for that purpose, right? So read this. Here, classify GL accounts as per the document splitting. So what are the GL account that you have? You have to classify the GL accounts. Standard is given. My chart of accounts is DRCA, new entries. Right, what I can do, all the accounts, assets and liabilities, say category. First of all, here there are so many categories are given. Say balance sheet account. Balance sheet account is nothing but 1000. So what balance sheet account you can do? So what I can do is zero balance posting, cash discount, customer, vendor. So balance sheet account. Say 1 lakh, 1, 2, say 1 lakh, 100. Right, this is balance sheet account. Similarly, like that, all accounts you have to assign. Say cash account. So cash and bank account. $200,405. Sorry, 200, 401 to 200, 500. So here what I'm doing is SAP system has given us categories and said that please you define your GL accounts based on the categories whatever I have given you, because we are going to make the document split. In order to split the document, you need to understand the each and every nature of account, right? And that categories he has given, that category has to be assigned for each and every nature of account. Say for example here, say expenses 20,000, revenue 30,000. Say what I can do here, expenses 4 lakhs, 1 2, I can take 4 lakhs, I can give all, and next revenue 30,000. So I can say 3 lakhs, 3 lakhs 1 2, 3 lakhs. So all the accounts will come here. Balance sheet account, cash, like this. Okay. Now, okay, like this, whatever the nature of account, all accounts you can assign based on the categories whatever that have been given here. I need to categorize. It gives message, just read the message and say yes. Then coming to classified document types, document not required. Define zero balance clearing account. So zero balance clearing account is nothing but when document got split, when document is split into two line items, if there is any undivided or which cannot be divided into equally, so then what system says that when you are going to split the document, the split document should have zero balance again, means there should not be any difference. So for that purpose we need to create one zero balance clearing account. The purpose of this account you'll understand once we split the document, and I'll show you. So zero balance, you can create any asset or liability account, whatever it may be. You can say another liabilities I can create. Last account I'm creating 101, 100. First of all, you have to create a GL account. So FS00, create other liabilities, zero balance clearing account. Zero balance clearing account. This one what you need to do is here line item display, it should be an open item. You know what is meant by open item? So open items are nothing but system will take care of the clearing of the open item. Sorry. This is balance sheet. Only balances in local currency. System is saying some open amount only allowed for the balance sheet accounts. Are we not taken balance sheet account? Other liability. Okay. Sorry. We made a small mistake. Here you have to select balance sheet account. Right? Now system will allow you. So here what I need to do, zero balance clearing account. Standard account for zero balance. Select this, click on accounts, chart of accounts, DRCA. Click on new entries, enter your account number. Tell to the system this is my zero balance account. So zero balance account is going to be used for the purpose of splitting the document, and if any difference it will be posted here. Define document splitting characteristics for the general ledger accounting. Define document splitting characteristics. Let's see what is this. So this is the standard one. Document can be split by business area wise, profit center wise, segment wise. Right? So you can split the document, right? Whatever the thing you want, you can use. You can remove other things and you can use, maybe you want to split the document by business area wise or profit center wise, segment wise. So here I need not do anything, and there is the profit center field. There is the technical name of this one, right? So here I don't want to do anything. The standard already it is given. Define document splitting characteristics for controlling. This is not required. Define post capitalization of the cash discount. Edit. Activate document splitting. Here we need to activate it. Right here, check this box. But the problem is, once this is checked, it is applicable to all company codes. At client level, everybody will get a problem now that they have to define the document splitting. So that's why once our class is over, I'll deactivate it again. But the during this time, if somebody gets a problem, so they have to wait, and you can inactive by company code wise. Right, inactive. If you check the box, it will be inactive. Right, this is inactive. If I don't select, this is active mode. So here what I have done, document splitting has been activated, right? Okay. So I want to post one entry. Let me check. Say for example, so what I'm doing, I'm going to post, say for example, 400 302. This is telephone expenses. Here what I do, simple small amounts I'll take. Say 400. Okay, cost center, some cost center I'll take. Test for document splitting. Second line item, again I'm taking 40. Same 400 302. Right. So two line items I'm posting. Second line item, what I do, I post 600. Okay, this is only for the sake of amount I'm giving, that's all. A little test for document, this one 50 200 405 bank account. So those two accounts are debit, bank account is created. So this is going to be star, that is 1000. This is going to be plus. If you overview telephone expense account data, telephone expense account data to Axis Bank head office account. Okay, and now this line item should get split. Okay, so in order to split that, what I can do is simulate. Let me check in the simulation mode whether I can get the document split or not. I think I have to give the number range. Okay, we have already given. See, this is the simulated entry. So now what I will do is, okay, let me save the entry. Let me check. $53 document, 53 was posted. Four lakh 1 to 4 lakh 99 expense account has been given. Bank account has been given. If you don't give, system will ask. Okay. Now let me see. Display 400 600. Oh, I made a small mistake here. Have not given the business area. Okay, dummy percentage it will take. Let me see. General ledger view. So GL classification, zero balance, define document splitting characteristics. Yeah. Let me post one more entry. 40303 I'll post. I take here say 700. Business area I need to give. Business area. Overseas Dr. D Labs. Okay, let me check what business areas we do have. We have DRBN Bangalore and DR Chennai, DRHY Hyderabad. I'll take DRHY and DRCH. Okay, DRHY. On the second line item also again I am taking 40. 400, 303. Here I'll take 300. Cost center 101. Test for document splitting. 50. My bank account. Stars plus right 1000. Acha, second line business area I have not given. Business. I want to change the business area. Okay, there's a problem here. Because the reason, see, though I have not given business area, system has taken DRHY. Can anybody tell me why system has taken DRHY? Rajesh or Anusha? I have not, for first item I have given business area DRHY. But second item I have not given, but still system has taken. Can I change this? What, Rajesh? You have an idea? Anusha? Are you there?
Yeah. I don't know, I'm thinking.
Can you think why system has, though I have not given business area here, system has taken business area?
Is it related to cost center?
Excellent. You are 100% right. Because in this cost center we have given business area Hyderabad. So that's the reason it has taken. Now let me check whether any, if I change business area, in all business areas I have given Hyderabad business area. Here if I take this also DRHY, I cannot change now in the cost center. Otherwise I have to I'll do one thing, otherwise I'll create one more cost center, case KS01 is creation. What I will do is 1004 I'll create, valid from 01/04/2013. I'm creating 1004. Just test person responsible, cost center category, L maintenance, hierarchy area, take finance division, and business area. So business area, what I will do, I'm taking DRCH, second line item. Right, 1004 I'll take now. DRH by DRCH. Now document has been split. See here, zero balance account. This 1000 is split into and posted here. Say for example, why system has given like this? See exactly 7, 3. This 1000 has been divided into 700 and 300, but plus minus plus minus. The reason being 1000, okay, if you are going to take 700 only, 700, 700, 300, where it will be posting? Because when you are going to post, there should be debit and credit. So that's why here the same 1000 has been debited into here, debited, credited, debited, credited. When you are going to prepare my balance sheet account, right, here this one, this is minus figure, this minus minus, it will be posted to zero balance account, and system when it is going to take the balance sheet account, in the asset side it will take minus 300, 700. Other amount it will be posted on the, see, everything will be posted in the zero balance account. This is only for the sake of preparing say business area wise balance sheet. Now I need business area wise, where it is showing here, column is not there, but anyway in the accounting entry it is there. Almost both are same. Cost center. So anyway, so when it is posted, 1000 is posted in the Axis Bank account. But when you are going to prepare balance sheet, right, office maintenance is go to P&L account, and to the respective balance sheet, if you are going to see, system will not take Axis Bank account like this, but it will represent in the form of a zero balance account. And this is a balance sheet account. And when you prepare a balance sheet, it will take 700 and 300, that minus and minus. This is going to be right, the balance in amount 700, 300, it is going to be shown in the balance sheet account. This is only for the purpose of say for example, when I'm preparing my balance sheet for business area wise, here I'll show you. See here, business area wise or profit center wise. Profit center wise, okay. See, balance sheet by profit center 1, balance sheet by profit center 2, or balance sheet or okay, balance sheet by profit center or business area, whatever it may be. Here I'm taking as profit center. Okay. Now what is the entry we have posted? That some expense account that are to bank account we have taken. Now if I'm going to take prepare my balance sheet, right, it will take that zero balance account this side and this side. Say I'm taking one more example I'll give you. If I am buying raw material, right, expense account to vendor account, this vendor account will get split. Now instead of vendor we have taken bank account. Vendor account will get split. Now here raw material account, it is raw material account is going to be, say for example, instead of that entry you have taken this raw material account data, raw material account data. This is raw material account data, profit center 1, profit center 2 to vendor account. Now when I'm going to, if I'm going to prepare my balance sheet by business area, that profit center wise, if I'm going to take only 100, if you don't take this, how can I prepare balance sheet? I cannot prepare because see balance profit center 1, profit center 2. Here raw material 30 and segment profit center 2, raw material 70. Okay. Now 100 rupees vendor account is there. Vendor account should be shown as the liability side. Which if it is only 100 is there, you cannot show liability. That is the reason what, if company code level wise, if you are doing it, right, this is 40, 30, 70, right, 100 rupees. That is 30, 70. If company code wise you are preparing, no problem. Because raw material is a current asset, that's why I'm taking here. And this is a payable credit side, that is, sorry, liability side. But the problem you get only if you want to prepare by profit center wise. So when you are going to prepare profit center wise, you can take, say, inventory of raw material here, inventory of raw material here, 30, 70. Then liability side you cannot take. So that's why liability side, what system will take? This account it will take. The zero balance account. It will take just For all things it will take zero balance account. Zero balance account 30. Here also zero balance 70. Now raw material this side, zero balance account. Zero balance account is nothing but this is for instead of sundry creditors it is taking zero balance account. Now my balance sheet will get tally. Right. So here my purpose is the document should get split as per the business area wise or profit center wise or segments wise. Now you got what is the purpose of document splitting. So here system cannot only split only put one side. When you are splitting it debit, it should be credit. When the same for each line item, system creates one debit, one credit. For the two, because as many number, if you are splitting into 3, here also it will get split into 3. Okay. Anyhow, I'll explain you little more about the document splitting in the next class. Just try to understand, read the documentation and do it, and I'll send this. In fact, I could not send you the document. Along with the document, I'll send you this recording also. Okay. We'll meet again in the next class, Monday. So from Monday, once we complete this one, we'll take the project work and we'll complete it. Okay. So we'll close today. Rajesh.
Yes, sir.
Anusha, just you stay back once. I want to talk to you. Rajesh,
Yes, sir.
మీది డాక్యుమెంట్ పంపించాను నేను డాక్యుమెంట్ రికార్డింగ్ అది డ్రాప్ బాక్స్
డౌన్లోడ్ చేసింది సార్.
వచ్చేసిందా?
వచ్చేసింది సార్ డౌన్లోడ్.
ఓకే రైట్. అదే అవే ఉన్నాయి, ఇంకా వేరే ఏం లేవు. అంటే 1 to 10 అవే ఉన్నాయి అంతే. ఓకే
మీతోనే డౌన్లోడ్ చేస్తున్నాను సార్, ప్రాబ్లం లేదు.
ఓకే రైట్ రైట్.
సార్ ఇంకోటి కోపా ఉంది కదా సార్, అది కస్టమర్ పర్స్పెక్టివ్ పాయింట్ ఉంటుందా సార్? అది
కోపా అంటే కస్టమర్ పర్స్పెక్టివ్ కాదు, కంట్రోలింగ్ అండ్ ప్రాఫిటబిలిటీ అనాలిసిస్.
ప్రాఫిటబిలిటీ అనాలిసిస్. ఓకే
అది. ఓకే రైట్. విల్ మీట్ అగైన్ ఆన్ మండే.
ఓకే.
అనిల్. Okay. Right then, Rajesh, bye.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Anil, okay, right. Just
Yes, sir.
say, right, we'll meet again on Monday. Okay, right then, bye. Anusha?
Yeah.
Did Mr. Balaji spoke to anything today?
No.
Is Balaji in మీతో టచ్ లో ఉన్నారా?
ఒక్కసారి ఎప్పుడు కాల్ చేశారు, బట్ ఈ మధ్యలో
ఈ మధ్యలో ఏం కాల్ చేయలేదు అసలు?
ఒక్కసారి ఎప్పుడు కంట్రోలింగ్ స్టార్ట్ చేశారా అని చేశారు, 3 weeks బ్యాక్.
నేను తనకి నిన్నే మెయిల్ పెట్టాను, ఇలాగా కంట్రోలింగ్ అయిపోయింది, ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఇంకా ఎండ్కి వచ్చాం, నెక్స్ట్ వీక్ అయిపోతుందని పెట్టాను. నెక్స్ట్ అండ్ ఆస్క్ హిమ్ టు ఫార్వర్డ్ ది బ్యాలెన్స్ అమౌంట్ ఆల్సో. ఓకే, మీరు ఒక్కసారి తనకి గుర్తు చేయండి, మెయిల్ పెట్టాను నేను. నేను ఈ లోపల మీకు నెక్స్ట్ వీక్ ఏంటంటే మనకి ఇది ఫినిష్ చేసేసి డాక్యుమెంట్ ఫిట్టింగ్, ఐ విల్ సీ దట్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాను నేను. రైట్. బ్యాలెన్స్ అతను స్టార్టింగ్ లో ఈ పెయిడ్ ఉండి 10,000, సో ఇంకా బ్యాలెన్స్ 10,000 పే చేయాలన్నమాట మీకును అమ్మాయి ఎవరు హేమ ఇద్దరికి. ఒక్కసారి ఇఫ్ యు డోంట్ మైండ్. ఇప్పుడు టైం ఎంత అయింది? వాట్ ద టైం
మాకు 12, సో వాళ్ళకి 9 అనుకుంటా. 9.
అచ్చా 9 మార్నింగ్ 9.
Yeah.
ఓకే రైట్ ఒక్కసారి తనకు గుర్చేయండి ఇప్పుడు, ఎందుకంటే నేను మెయిల్ పంపించాను కానీ రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వలేదు ఇంకాను.
Yeah.
అది రైట్. సో నెక్స్ట్ వీక్ విల్ స్టార్ట్ ది ప్రాజెక్ట్. చెప్పండి ఇలా అంతా అయిపోయింది, ఇంకా కొన్ని ప్రాజెక్ట్ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం. అండ్ వన్ మోర్ థింగ్ ఈజ్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు సెండ్ యూ ద టోటల్ డాక్యుమెంట్ అండ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ డాక్యుమెంటేషన్ ఉంటుంది ఇంకాను, అండ్ హౌ టు ప్రిపేర్ ఏ సివి, ఆల్ దోస్ థింగ్స్. ఓకే, అతని దగ్గర ఏమైనా శాంపుల్ సివీస్ ఉంటే తీసుకోండి, లేదంటే నా దగ్గర ఉన్న సివి మీకు పంపిస్తాను, మీరు ప్రిపేర్ చేయండి. అది సంగతి రైట్. ఓకే, నాకు ఏ సంగతి అతను మీతో మాట్లాడిన తర్వాత నాకు చెప్పండి. రేపు మార్నింగ్ చెప్పిన రేపు మార్నింగ్
మీకు మెయిల్ చేయమంటారు?
కొన్ని మెయిల్ చేయండి, ఏం పర్లేదు, అదర్వైజ్ మెయిల్ చేయండి. ఓకే రైట్ దెన్, బాయ్.